Sitakange Nicholas, sita wa Uganda ngawe mumanyi, buddeyo era ndese empapula zange. Nsabe ekibiina kinneesige nkikwatire omumuli kimpe kaadi mbakulembere abantu beerungujja. Bonna bemulaba bano beerungujja era banzikiririzaamu era ng'ekindeese olunaku olwaleero wa EMC mpapula zange baziyitemu kuba nazo zituukiridde. Nkulidde Lungujja, nzaaliddwa Lungujja, ekitegeeza manya ebizibu ebiruma ki? So mbasaba olunaku olwaleero nga tulese empapula zaffe mutusabire ekitebe kisobole okutusaamu obwesige. Ate ne ku sayidi y'ekitebe siri bubi. Bano bannamawulire bannange be mulaba nze yasooka okubeera pulezidenti waabwe. Nze mwogezi w'abannamawulire ku kitebe kino. Era mu bintu by'obwesimbu n'obwesigwa nkwata nnamba emu. Era ekisinze okundeeta okuttayo empapula zino njagala mumpulirize bulungi. Mu kaluka 2021 bakansala b'e Lubaga gyenva baagenda ne balonda sipiika wa NRM. Era ebyo bye byatunyiiza olunaku olwaleero nga.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Musa Ronald, an aspiring MP, Russia constituency from Arone district, and I am here to submit my form of expression of interest and my academic credentials. Thank you.
Mzulu Benjamin, aspiring MP Bunyaruguru constituency, Lubirizi district. I have come here to submit my expression of interest form. Thank you.
Good morning, members. My name is Robert Sekaru, an aspirant to my name is Kayunga district. I'm here to submit my interest form. Thank you.
Where's the certificate?
First of all, standing as a member of parliament in the government district. Here I submit.
Good morning to you all. My name is Caroline Naguma, and I'm here to submit my form as candidate for MP Makede East.
Okay, Makede East, please submit. Are you an incumbent?
Why should I say I'm aspiring? Why should I say I'm aspiring? When I'm a man, of course.
Members, Members, Mtibaira Habati Wesirikira, aspiring MP Bukono Constance, have come here to submit my EOI forms and academic documents.
Please go ahead and submit.
I've come here to hand over my expression of interest form.
Good morning, my fellow Ugandans in the struggle. My name is Murugo Gonzaga. I have come here to submit my expression of interest form and the related documents. Thank you.
Good morning, Chair.
NUP is only for Uganda and for Baganda in the central region. I want to tell you that we are NUP in Bunyangabu, and we have the support. Everybody and many people are yearning for change, and we must bring that change. We are the agents of the change. This is a protest vote. We are not going to take it anymore, the deceitful politics of Museveni and his party, the NRM. No roads, hospitals, no medicine. Everything is in limbo. Our schools have gone down. People who know Kibito Secondary School, Kibito Primary School, Yeria Primary School, Kimbuga and the other schools, they have all collapsed and they are all no more. So we are coming as a new government to put things right, to build our country and to build our society. So let us all move together, support the voice of change, support the party of hope, and let us move together. Thank you so much, and we are the NUP. For God and
Amanya Sebo.
Amanya Zepita Mugasa, Turugira Soni.
Okay, constituency.
Member of Parliament for Bunyangabu County in Toro. So,
good morning to everyone. My name is Kagoyari Diaz, Parliament aspirant, Uganda District.
Members, and by the name of Cosmas from Ade District, I'm here to submit my interest form and the relevant academic document. As a flag bearer, National Unity Platform.
Please submit. Were you here before Christmas?
Yes.
I think you were here during the first week. Okay. What was the problem?
The problem was having a slight
So everything is okay.
Oyo n'anoonya empapula tayogera, abula anoonya empapula z'obwemoke. Ndabye ejjinja bambi mu mulondo omwana wattu ebitabo bya biyina just kuba nti no tayogera bwogezi. Anoonya empapula.
I was here at the end of last week, presented my documents, but what I missed only was the reading certificate of A level, which I have come to present as I was requested. Please go ahead and submit.
Restoration of the rule of law in this country. I'm called Shanpara Phillips, an aspiring candidate for Member of Parliament, Jonam County.
And today, in this broad daylight, I am here with deep love and obligation to submit the expression of my interest form in fulfilling my deeds and obligation to National Unity Platform. Thank you for so much. Yes.
I'm John from Kalangala, contesting aspiring for the Jumba Division Instructor County Chairperson, and I'm here to submit my documents. Thank you.
Of Yamba County, so I came to submit my affidavit of interest.
Sawa, I'm here to submit my papers.
I'm called Natama Robert from Chibari East constituency. I've come here to submit my expression of interest forms for Member of Parliament Chibari East constituency, Kamwenge district. Allow me to submit.
Hello, good morning, comrades. By the names
so that my people can understand. Amazina ni Vanitana Tambaro Bati, Zoe Bilabi Nashatu, Nija, head office of city leadership quarters, submitting expression of interest forms, once a project about to achieve a listing, so in this one, I went to Nija, later this season, leadership documents, Mr. Mantomachiva listi, Mamazulu, the Wakabona, Bade, Murembe Banyenka, Niaka Greneta, MP Omoenka, Atakureta services, for example, Chiva listi, Spine Maruaro, Nukubanza, Umukaza and Kushemezua, Nortaro, Spine ambulances, remember. N'abantu abakiri kutwara nk'abantu bene bamuno mwene shazere mukujanti nije mbase kureta amarwaro omukonstituency yitu amashomero twine secondary yona omugombora ya Kampala B mazima nimba promising kujya nanagira mu constituency ibiraro na mukaga niza kureta ikintu cyono kibare list niza kuyaka kajogano omujyango wabine center wo bakutegeka this time sima president with his excellence Robert Kyagulanyi kubasa kutamugido minyeto amani kashana nguni tuhati n'umuntu atine sente n'abasapetsi so ni nyongera kusima our VP Western Uganda zere tukamushaba obase kuteka mu moralo yo kugira ngo buri muntu we no muri Western Uganda abase kwija ayitsinde lastire niza kutwara umugishogu kugambira abanyakibare East kugambira abantu bona ba Western Uganda kugambira na Uganda yona ngu bareke kuteekateeka ngu NUP ninga National Unity Platform teri mu Western ebyo nebishuba omu Western Uganda ntukunda Robert Kyagulanyi ntumukunda kikuma kindi kandi tumusubiza kumuha 10 akindi 2026. Remember, to protest, vote. Thank you very much.
Fellow comrades, by names I'm called Aniko Nelson. Today, on this historic day of 23rd of June 2025, I feel great and honored to sit before the Electoral Commission from National Unity Platform and the team to submit my expression of interest for as aspiring member of parliament for Bura constituency in Arua district. I beg to submit. Please go on.
Expression of interest as the MP of Terego West. Thank you very much, panelists. You submit. Thank you, commissioners. My name is Cassini Andrew, mostly known as Mosquito, and I'm here to bring back my expression of interest from.
Good afternoon, Madam Chair and the team. My name is Semaganda Ronald. I've come all the way from Busiro North to return and submit my expression of interest forms so that I can go ahead and contest as a candidate, represent the Busiro North in the Parliament of Uganda on the National Inter-Platform ticket. Thank you so much. Allow me to submit. Please go ahead. My name is Rotungeo Emmanuel from Pakwash, General Constituency. I'm here to submit my expression of interest form to represent my people of General Constituency. Allow me to submit my documents.
Akola ku Ghetto TV munamawulire omukulembeze Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu oyo munamawulire munaffe Ghetto TV basaba ne bannyabo yoyo mugenyi ayingiddewo okugomyawo empapula ze
ekyomukisa ndinze nga siina avuganya ku kaadi omukama bulungi tukomezaawo empapula okukiikira abantu ba Lubaga North wano balondi kansala banagezze bakolera baganda bange bakulu bange bato bange bakyala bange bamaama bange bakojja bange empapula nzikomezaawo mu butongole bakuba mpitirivu ninamwe ebbaluwa ez'obusawo ninamwe ebbaluwa za bwangeniya ninamwe empapula nyingi abasinga baadde bagamba nzije kuwajja kumala
yaya mugenyi
olwaleero egase bannayuganda abakikikikibiina kya national platform bakwate obukulembeze bwakyo era nange leese empapula zange n'eziwaayo ez'obuyigirize n'empapula eziraga obwagazi obw'okukiikirira Bannabusiro ebyo byonna sibikoze ku lwange wabula mbikoze ku lwana Bannabusiro endagaano gye tulina nti nina okuba nga nze mpaka waabwe ate endagaano ey'okubiri nina okuba nga ndi wa national unity platform naye byonna era si bikulu nnyo ekisinga obukulu tulina obulumi bw'amaanyi nnyo nga Bannabusiro abaana bangi abazze bawambibwa 2018 tulina omwana waffe mu constituency amanyiddwa kati ensi yonna teri amanyi gyali omwana amanyiddwa nga Kibalama era ava Namayumba ewaffe so paka nakati tumanyi wa gye yalaga so obulumi obwo tuvuddeyo nga twagala bagazi bifo twagala bagazi kulembera Busiro North wabula tuzze tulwanirire eggwanga lyaffe Uganda n'ensonga esinga obukulu abantu tuzze tubategeeza ensonga ya protest vote so ffe tuzze tukulembere omumuli tukulembere olutabaalo protest vote nyine obukakafu otetandikira mu Busiro North yakutandikira mu Wakiso sebyafaayo ebyokutuusa gavumenti eno gatwala Mwai Museveni nga kaguddeyo bigenda kusinziira mu Busiro North so ndi musanyufu nnyo olunaku lwaleero naze ne maama wange nze omu bannayuganda abasinga omungi abakuze ne basinga mother so Bannabusiro ngenza okulaba nga abanfaanana tuli bangi nga basinga mother abatunda ennyaanya ku makubo abatunda muwogo omukyala ye atunda mbaawo nga basinga obungi so nensalawo mbeera eddoboozi lyabwe ate ngezeeko okula nga nkyusa Busiro North so maama wange ankuzizza nga singo mother so ndabye nga bwe mba nkulembera olutabaalo luno abeere ku mukono gwange ogwa ddyo maama wange anzaalira ddala aye n'ekyokubiri twagala Busiro North okufuna eddoboozi eriwulikika tubalina abakulembeza ebbanga ddene mu Busiro North naye nga eddoboozi seriwulikika abantu n'ekitundu kyaffe mwanyi okukyerabira so Semaganda Ronald niwakubeera eddoboozi ddene erijja okukiikirira ekitundu kyaffe kya Busiro North mu lukiiko lwaffe olukulu olw'eggwanga palamenti ya Uganda.
Katono nnyo Semaganda
Abayo. Ogira bwoti n'ogira bwoti nengo mulimu nengo mulimu omulaba wandeko otyo nakijjayo nemmala nekomyawo negamba shabini
Kadola agenze Masaka naye bagenda okukubira ku Mulekezaala agenze Mbaleji bajambuza bulijjo tobalaba kyoka mugendayo kati
Oyo Mosh Kimanya Kabonera we bamuleze Kimanya Kabonera
nekana akana kenera kuona kana
Inclusion Leaders Forum. I was a member of Parliament, Paul Central. Paul Central, please submit.
My name is Roy Saboga, founding member of Kupa Movement. I later became NUP, card holder 338, and I'm here to submit my expression of interest for the post of MP, Kamake South, and here my credentials. Please go ahead and submit.
Councillor representing the people of the Lansana division to Expo district. Allow me to submit topics of expression of interest in the position of Lansana municipality member of parliament. Thank you so much. Please go ahead.
Wesimbe utu. Huyo empathize jeyo. Abantu bali ebanye